Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the SALIND GPS Magnetic, the ultimate GPS tracker for every vehicle. With up to 70 days of battery life, this 4G LTE car GPS tracker is a game changer when it comes to tracking your vehicle's whereabouts. First off, the installation is a breeze thanks to the built-in magnets. You can easily attach the SALIND 11 to your car or other vehicle, and the super strong magnets ensure a stable hold on all suitable surfaces. It's also a great option for fleet tracking, making it versatile for any situation. The long-lasting battery is another standout feature of the SALIND GPS Magnetic. With a 7500 mAh battery, you can enjoy months of tracking without needing to recharge. This means less hassle and more peace of mind when it comes to protecting your vehicle. Not only is the SALIND 11 extremely robust and water splash-proof, but it also offers multiple alarms for added security. You can receive alerts for strong vibrations, exceeding the speed limit, or low battery levels to keep your vehicle safe at all times. And when it comes to the subscription, you have the flexibility to choose the plan that suits your needs. With options for monthly, annual, or 2-year plans, you can find the perfect fit without long-term commitments or hidden fees. If you're looking for reliable and affordable GPS tracking for your vehicle, look no further than the SALIND GPS Magnetic. Check the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing device. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.